Installing the DDPai Mini is very easy. First, insert the TF card into the slot. Next, find where you would like to position your camera on your windshield. Once you find your spot, take off the sticker on the back and stick the plastic stent onto the windshield at the position you have chosen. Next step is to connect your USB cable with the camera and car adapter. Stick the wiring through the cracks in between. Once you bring it all the way to your camera, attach the USB cable to the camera. Now you're all set and ready to go.